I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Gypsol Rapide. Traditional calcium sulphate screeds are sometimes classed as undependable in modern construction due to the slow drying times, with 60mm depth taking around 80 days to dry in perfect conditions. However, Gypsol have come up with a product to solve this issue, Gypsol Rapide. It's a remarkable product that introduces the concept of fast drying with the benefits of a standard calcium sulphate screed. To prove that this screed does actually dry when it promises to, the product has been tested extensively by independent sources. So what's different about Gypsol Rapide? Gypsol Rapide is a calcium sulphate screed with a superpower. It dries in just a fraction of the normal time screed takes. Gypsol Rapide has been developed with fast drying and all the other usual benefits, such as the ability to self-compact, offering a free-flowing and self-smoothing screed. Gypsol Rapide hence offers a great liquid screed solution for people who do not like to wait for their screed to dry. Gypsol Rapide can dry in around 2 weeks depending on site conditions. Latent removal is not normally required, which saves the cost of grinding the surface to make them ready to receive floor coverings. Furthermore, the raw materials used by Gypsol are environmentally friendly and sustainable. This makes Gypsol Rapide not just a fast, effective, but also a way to protect the environment. Gypsol anhydrite screed binder is developed through recycled materials. The materials utilised in Gypsol binder are carefully selected and sourced to ensure that not a single raw material comes from sources that are harmful to the environment. Gypsol Rapide is more than just an environmentally friendly screed product. Its performance far exceeds what you can find with a regular screed. The screed can be laid very easily by trained experts. Moreover, the 2-week drying time is something you will not find fulfilled by most of the other screed solutions on the market. It's a great product from all aspects, and with its help in reducing the use of non-renewable resources, acting as an additional testament to its uniqueness. Hence, if you are looking for a regular screed product that offers you immense benefits on top of additional features, then Gypsol Rapide is just for you. It's widely available in the market and you can find it easily. I hope this helps you with your Gypsol Rapide questions. If you would like any further help, please get in touch.